So I got a new co-pilot today with my my Tonka Summit, and here he is, Woody, co-pilot. Say something, Woody.
Everyone, this is Forky.
No, wrong guy.
I can't believe I'm talking to a spork. Yeah, oh, okay, alright, okay, that is enough.
So it's gonna be fun driving this guy. Just hope he was a little bit louder. And here's my snowplow. Winter is over. Spring is here. Never got around to testing it. So maybe I can try in dirt or something. And here's the springs. You just call it. So it's all 3D printed. It's all 3D printed there in 3 pieces. So that's it for now. And right now this guy's arm's disabled. I'm using it for the snowplow. So hopefully I come out with a video soon. We might get some snow, who knows. See ya.